So on this video, we're going to talk about the K-Cell, which is one of the specialized LED strip families in our LED cell range, and is designed for fine detail. So the K stands for cut. I know that it's not really spelled like that, but it allows us to, I couldn't use the C because it's the cob. So the K-Cell is a single cut LED strip. By single cut, I mean the cutting point is not usually between the 68 or 100 you can see in other LED strip ranges, but you can actually cut from every single LED chip. So as you can see on the LED strip, the copper pads are not the distance between copper pads is not the usual 100 millimeters or 60, but you can find one every single LED chip. This will allow for fine-tuning your LED strip installation because you can really customize the length of the LED strip up to the single chip, which allows you to maybe have like a really fine details and have like a precise run of LED strip depend on your furniture or your installation in general. So because as this particular type of cutting, the use of the K-Cell is perfect for when you do furniture lighting or cove lighting or showcase, where literally you want a uniform light from the start to the end, precise to the millimeter. Even if we have all these peculiar amount of copper on the product, the LED chip is still the high quality that you would expect from the LED cell range. So classic CRI 90, classic SDCM3, so color consistency and color rendering are always on the top, and an average of efficacy of 95-100 lumen per watt, which is still really, really good considering is a bare LED, SMD LED strip. K-Cell is available in 5 meters, 10 meters and 50 meter roll, but the maximum recommended run is of 5 meters, which is more than sufficient for this type of bespoke installation, like we said, furniture lighting, for example. You can always bypass those 5 meters run limitation just using the 5 meters in parallel from one single driver. So from one driver in the middle, you can always run 5 meters on the left, 5 meters on the run to extend the maximum run length. The K-Cell is available in 2 IP rating. So we will have IP20, which is perfect for indoor or dry areas, and IP67, which is fully waterproof, so it's suitable for exposed outdoor environment. In terms of connection and accessories, the IP20 has the full set of connectors. So we will have all your connectors, like straight connectors or flexible connector available for the IP20. But for the IP67 too, actually, we have the IP67 connector also are available for the customer to purchase and to create like a bespoke installation. The K-Cell though comes with only one CCT, so I mean it comes only in one variant, which is the single white, but we will have different CCT the customer can select. So we will have 2700K, 3000K, 4000K and 6500K. So we have a wide range of whites that the customer can choose. Another selection that the customer can do is the power outputs, and it comes in 5 wattage per meter and 14.4 watt per meter, having 2 different powers and therefore luminous performance in the 2 LED strip. The 5 watt per meter, for example, because it's a lower wattage, is more suitable for subtle glow, so really accent lighting, and it's perfect like in joinery or tight spaces where you need to be precise in terms of length control. And 14.4 watt instead, because it's a high output, is more suitable, for example, for cove lighting or furniture detail, again, where the exact length is the key for your installation, while still providing a good amount of light.